Can we talk about something?
Sure. What's up?
The apartment has been quite messy lately.
Yeah, I've noticed that too.
Most of the dishes have been left in the sink.
I've just been really busy.
I understand, but it's affecting both of us.
You're right.
We agreed to share responsibilities.
I know, and I haven't been keeping up.
It's getting frustrating.
I'm sorry about that.
Can we make a cleaning schedule?
That's a good idea.
That way, it's fair for both of us.
I agree.
Let's divide the tasks.
I'll take care of the kitchen.
And I'll handle the living room.
Sounds good.
Let's stick to it this time.
Definitely.
Thanks for understanding.
Thank you for bringing it up.
Communication helps.
It really does.
Let's keep things organized.
Agreed.
Hi, I need to talk about the heating issue.
What seems to be the problem?
It hasn't been working for 3 days.
That's strange. It was fine last week.
Well, it's definitely not working now.
Did you try resetting it?
Yes, multiple times.
I'll send someone to check it.
When exactly? It's getting very cold.
Probably tomorrow afternoon.
That's too late.
I'll see if I can arrange something sooner.
I'd appreciate that.
Is there anything else?
Yes, the water pressure is also low.
That might be related.
Possibly, but it's very inconvenient.
I understand your frustration.
I'm paying full rent, so I expect proper conditions.
Of course, and I take that seriously.
Thank you.
I'll call a technician right away.
Please keep me updated.
I will.
I hope this gets resolved quickly.
It will.
All right, I'll wait for your call.
Thank you for your patience.
Hi, can we talk for a moment?
Sure. What's up?
The noise from your apartment has been quite loud lately.
Oh, I didn't realize it was that bad.
It usually starts late at night.
I've been having some friends over.
I understand, but it's affecting my sleep.
I'm really sorry about that.
Could you keep it down after midnight?
Yes, I'll make sure of that.
I'd appreciate it.
Thanks for telling me directly.
I didn't want to complain officially.
I get that.
I just need some peace at night.
Totally fair.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem at all.
Let's keep communication open.
Definitely.
Have a good evening.
You too.
And thanks again.
I'm really stressed about money lately.
What's going on?
My expenses are higher than my income.
That's tough. Have you made a budget?
Not a detailed one.
That could help you see where your money goes.
I already know I spend too much on eating out.
That's a common issue.
I also have some debts to pay.
Are the interest rates high?
Unfortunately, yes.
You might consider consolidating them.
I've thought about it.
Or maybe talk to a financial advisor.
That could be helpful.
Can you increase your income somehow?
Maybe a part-time job?
That would make a difference.
I just feel overwhelmed.
Take it step by step.
You're right.
Start with small changes.
Like cutting unnecessary expenses.
Exactly.
Thanks for the advice.
Anytime.
I already feel a bit better.
That's a good start.